What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, action camera videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. So today, we're going to be testing out the AKASO external mic with the Brave 7LE. So stay tuned to the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said in the beginning, we have the AKASO Brave 7LE and we've got the AKASO external mic. Now I've not even taken this out of the package, so we're gonna try this how I think it's supposed to work. We're gonna try it and I'm gonna do some testing and yeah, throw that testing in here. So let's get this in, or get this out of the package. We got it wrapped up here. I don't even know how long this cord is. Okay, so about 3 foot. We got about a 3 foot cord here. Really good windscreen on that and pretty good little clip. Let's take that off. Decent size microphone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clip this on me. And then, all right, so we've got the Brave 7LE. Now, note about this. You can't put it on the tripod and then decide you're going to use the external mic because you cannot access the side port with the tripod on there. So I had to go ahead and open that before I put it on the tripod. So let's turn it on. And then we want to go to settings and microphone and external. And we want to plug that in. So we are plugged in, and are we on video? We are on video, so let's swap this around. So now we're recording, and we should be using the external mic. We'll tap that for a little test there, and you can see me here, you can see me here. So we're just doing a test. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to turn this off and take it out. All right, so let's take the microphone out. Now, swap back, go back to settings, microphone, built in, and go back. Flip back to forward screen. You can see we no longer have the microphone attached. So now, turn it back on. So we are recording again, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Our camera, when we had the built-in mic setting turned on, it actually showed a microphone with a cord on it, so you'll know if that setting is turned on before you hit record. So there we are, we're testing 1, 2, 3. This is without the external mic. This is just the camera microphone. So there's that. All right, so there's that. I'm gonna throw this in. I'll whatever. So as you can see there is a huge difference in using this versus not. Now, the cool thing about the Brave 7LE is it does have the selfie mode, so you can see what you're doing in vlog mode. So you can use this if you're not doing anything where your camera is at risk of getting wet or having any kind of issues with this port being open. So there's that. I will have a link to this microphone in the description below. It works, they say it works on a lot of the cameras. There's a couple it says it does not work on. So we're gonna test it with all of my cameras. I have 4 different models. So we're gonna test it with them. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. And see how it works with all of them. If the same quality is there and you have great sound improvement. This is a no-brainer. If I'm using this camera for a video and I want to use the audio from the video, I'm going to be using this microphone. That's a no-brainer at this point. It works really, really well. So like I said, we're going to be testing it with all my other AKASOs. If you're unfamiliar with how many AKASOs I have the Brave 7LE, which we just looked at. I have the V50X. I have the EK7000 Pro, and I have two regular EK7000s. One of those EK7000s is set up in my truck as a dash cam. So if you're interested how I did that, drop it in the comment below and I'll shoot a separate video on how I have that set up. It's a really simple setup, and it works really, really well. So I love the way I have it set up, and I'll walk you through everything with it if y'all are interested in that. I don't want to do it and of course it not get any views. So if you're interested in seeing how I have one of these, and it would work with any of these action cameras, if you're interested how I have that set up, drop it in the comment and I'll do that video on how I have it set up as a dash cam. But yes, multiple AKASO cameras, so we're going to be testing out this microphone on all of them, just not today. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, there you go. At the end of this video there will be a card, and I will have a link to the video on this nice case here for all your action camera needs. This holds everything you need, so there you go. I have a link to that, and I think that's all we got for today. So I'll have a link to the AKASO external microphone in the description below, as well as some other links that you can go check out some products like the AKASO EK7000 and the Brave 7LE. All of those, I'll have them all down there. So there you go. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.